Hello everyone and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Shadera and today's video will be a thrift haul. This isn't going to be an extensive thrift haul because I'm trying to be more like selective in the things that I do pick up, but I am going on a holiday soon, so a lot of the items are very spring summer appropriate and it's a tropical holiday, so I'm excited to wear these items out there. So for that reason I'm not going to be trying on the items, but I'm going to show you everything I picked up, and I'll probably do like a what I wore in the week featuring most of these items. I did buy two items that are not very like holiday appropriate, so I'll show you those first. And the first item is this River Island knit jumper. It's got a hood on the back and it's got like 3 buttons going down it, but what I love about it is that it's very like 90s kind of aesthetic. It's kind of, I think it will pair nicely with like jeans and just like a nice casual vibe. Next I have this Zara top, and it's like a velvet top but it's mixed with mesh and it's almost like a laser cut detail, which I really like. And like the style of it is just like a fitted kind of long sleeve top, and I've never seen this Zara logo before, but I'm guessing it's like an old Zara or like a particular branch of Zara. But what I like about it is the fact that it can be worn casually and dressy, and I'm kind of excited to pair it with my velvet like low-rise flared trousers. I think that would look really nice, but equally paired with like jeans or trousers, this would be like a perfect combination as well. Next we have this shirred stretchy top, and the brand is called East, and I think it helps to know the brand, especially like if you online thrift. So all these items I actually picked up from Thrift Plus. So like if you search up the brand, then you would be able to find other items from the same brand, which is quite nice and handy. Also, if you don't know, I am a thrift ambassador, so I do have a 20% off code, Chidera20. So if you wanted to get money off, then you could use that. But yeah, what I love about this top is like the different colors running through it, the kind of glitter effect it has on the front as well. Just a casual t-shirt, and absolutely love the denim print of Mickey Mouse. That is literally the reason why I got this t-shirt. And if you've watched my channel for a while, then you'll know that I wear like a lot of printed white t-shirts in particular, and I just think something like this is just perfect on holiday as well, just for like those more casual days and just like a chill day. And the next item that I'm going to show you I think would pair perfectly with this top. I also picked up this plain long, it's almost, I think it was supposed to be like a midi skirt, but on me it's like a almost maxi skirt, like it stops just before my ankles. And I got this in a size 12, so 2 sizes above my, well, 1.5 sizes above my normal size, so it sits like nicely low rise, which I like. And I think again, just for like a casual outfit paired with like a t-shirt like the one I showed previously, or even paired with like a more fancy top if I wanted to be like more dressy. But I'm excited to style these pieces, like I said. I also picked up this mini denim skirt. I'm hoping it'll sit like a little bit low rise, like not super low rise, but a little bit. But the reason I picked up this skirt is because I want to like DIY and paint over it. Obviously, I might try it on actually first and then see if I like it plain, then I'll keep it plain. But if it's like not my favorite skirt, then I'm gonna paint over it, similar to the jeans I DIY'd recently. And if you've watched my shorts, then you would have seen that. But if not, then I'll pop up a picture here for you to see. But I want to do this skirt in the same style as those jeans, and I think that would be like really cool, especially to wear it on holiday with all the colors running through it. I also picked up this really pretty beach cover up. It's sheer with like this tie waist detail, so it kind of like wraps over, and then it's got like these really pretty like floral details in it, and it is like a mesh material as well. But I think this will look perfect with like a little bikini under, even like a dress I think would work underneath as well. Maybe like a white mini dress, something like that would work nicely with this. I also picked up this little like jungle print shirt, and I'm not sure if I'm going to take it with me because it is short sleeve, but it's meant to be 30 degrees where I'm going. But this has got like a mock neck, so I'm not sure if it'll be too warm, although it's a light material, so I might take it with me and then see if I wear it. I guess it depends if it's too hot or not too hot. But again, like a nice tee. And I like the fact that it's got blue running it through it as well, because it'll make it easier to like pair with other items rather than if it was just green. And then this skirt, it's like a thick scuba material, so that I am a little bit concerned if it'll be too warm to wear. But why I got it was this beautiful print. Like, look at that. So stunning. And I've never seen this on the ASOS website, so I quite like that I can thrift items that, you know, that I have never seen before. But I love this print. I think I would prefer if this was like a maxi skirt as opposed to a midi skirt, but I think it still works better as a midi skirt, especially because of the material. Because I think if I was a maxi, this material would be too hot to wear on holiday. But stunning skirt. So I'm really excited to wear that. And the print is on the back as well, and it has like a little slit in the back. But really nice skirt. I think this skirt is perfect for this more like tropical destination. I love the details in it. Like, it's got these little beads and sequins hanging on the waistband, and I love the asymmetric hem as well. I just think an asymmetric hem is really flattering, and the brand is Miss Selfridge, which I wouldn't have thought they'd do stuff in this style, but overall really like it. This item I actually picked up for my sister, but I'm gonna borrow it because look how pretty that is. And then on the bottom it's like these little beaded tassels, which is really pretty, like you can see. But really pretty dress, kind of like a beach cover up. I guess if you wanted to be a little bit risque, you could wear it to a restaurant just with like something under, either to like maybe like a nude set or like a black underwear kind of set. But it depends on the vibe. But I really like the bead detail throughout. I love just the style of it and how loose and pretty it is, and the colour as well. It's really nice. But excited to wear this on holiday, maybe to the beach, something like that. I picked up quite a few items with like sequins running through them, and this top is no exception. Again, like sequins running throughout it, a little bit of sparkle, so if you stand a little bit away, the flowers kind of shimmer, which I really like. I think that's quite cute. And I love this like shade of orange. I've got like an orange set that I wear on holiday quite a bit, so I'm thinking to pair those two together. But then equally, I think a denim skirt, some denim shorts, this would look perfect with that as well. But the brand of this is actually the United Colors of Benetton, which is a brand like I've never shopped before, which is like kind of the beauty of thrifting. Like, you get to experience brands that you wouldn't normally pick up as well. So that's quite nice. And last but not least is this stunning mini skirt. It's like almost like a kilt. So you can see it's got the buckles on the side, so it tightens in the side. So I'm hoping to wear it like a little bit low rise, but not too low rise. So I'm going to tighten that. And I, again, love the blue running through it. I actually got a pedicure that matches exactly with this blue. So hoping to take this and style it up and, you know, wear it with like some open toe heels or something like that. Or maybe like little slippers, little sandals. I think that would be really cute. But that was the last item. And again, very stunning piece. And that brings us to the end of today's thrift haul. I hope you guys are excited as I am to see these pieces styled up. And if you are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favourite find. Also, like a recent find that you found that you really like. That would be nice to know. And yeah, thank you for watching. God bless and see you next week.